Today's episode is all about setting up Angular version 20, and we will also understand the new prompts Angular gives when creating a project. In this video, we will cover installing Node.js, Angular CLI, and creating a new Angular app. We will also discuss why we need Node.js. So let's get started. We will discuss why we need Node.js. Already mentioned, to create Angular project, we need a base that is nothing but Angular CLI. Angular CLI is nothing but a Node.js tool. നമ്മൾ Angular install ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we already mentioned Angular contains a lot of packages. To install those, we need npm. npm also comes with Node.js. Whenever we run our application, we need a development server that also provides by Node.js. To install Node.js, you need to visit nodejs.org. You can see here two versions. One is LTS and one is current. LTS is long-term support version, so you need to install LTS here. To install LTS, you can visit and download page to download specific version. I am on Windows machine, so I am installing this package. So I'm just downloading Windows installer. Node.js പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഒന്നും കസ്റ്റമൈസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല, so we can press next. I already have Node.js, that's why we are getting this screen. Otherwise, you can simply press next. Then finish. Now Node.js is installed on your machine. You have open command prompt. You can check Node version. You can check by typing node-v. So this is the version we installed. Now you can check npm version as well. As I said, npm comes with Node.js package. Once you install Node.js, by default npm also will be installed on your machine. Now we can use npm to install packages. Now we are going to create an Angular project. So to create an Angular project, we need a base that is nothing but Angular CLI. This can be installed on your machine using npm package. To install Angular CLI, we can command npm install -g Angular CLI. -g is nothing but global version. So I install. You can either type I or install. npm I -g. I am installing it globally. Now this will install Angular CLI on your machine. It will take few minutes. Once it is successfully installed, we'll get a message like this. Now the Angular CLI installed on your machine by typing ng version. This will show the version of Angular installed on your machine. It will also show which node version, which npm version you installed on your machine. Angular also checks some Git repositories. So we also need to install Git on our machine. If we are not installing Git during the project creation, we will get an error saying that Git is not installed on your machine. Let's install Git on our machine. To install Git, you need to visit gitscm.com. So we need install for Windows. So I'm downloading it. Now we are installing Git on our machine. Simply press next. Next. In this step, adjusting your path environment, we need to select this one. Now the installation is completed. Just simply click on finish. Git is installed. We'll check Git version. So the Git version is showing like this. So Git is installed on our machine. Now we are going to create Angular project. We already installed Angular CLI. Angular CLI provides a lot of commands which support Angular project creation. To create Angular project, we can use ng new and project name. I'm in this location. You can create your own folder and you can navigate to it. During the project creation, you will get certain prompts. That is basically asking the user like which one to go with. In Angular 20, you will get a prompt saying that Do you want to create a zoneless application without zone.js? This is under developer preview. In Angular version 20, Angular team is use a new signal-based change detection. This is under developer preview, so you can use either old change detection mechanism or this one. Right now I'm choosing old change detection mechanism by pressing no. Now prompt is asking which style sheet format would you like to use. So you can choose whichever you are comfortable. Now in this project we'll use plain CSS. Now the third prompt is, do you want to enable server-side rendering and static-side generation? We are not using any server-side rendering in this project, so we can go with no. We got an error saying that operation not permitted mkdir this location. So this is saying making a new directory is restricted. I'm in C folder, that's why we are getting this. Now I will run this command prompt with administrator privilege. With run as administrator. So I'm opening command prompt with run as administrator. Now you navigate to your location. Now I am trying to install new project here. New. So it will ask the same questions once again. So I'm just pressing no and I'm choosing plain CSS and I'm not using server-side rendering. So this will take few seconds. It also created a lot of files which is necessary for Angular project. It also installed required npm packages and it is successfully initialized Git. So as I said, if Git is not installed on your machine, you will get an error here. So which means your project is installed but initializing it failed. You can install before creating project. Now the project is created. I'm moving to that directory. First app. Now I move to directory. So we project create now we check whether the project is working or not. To do that, we have a command called ngserve. So ngserve will do three things. It will compile your code to JS files. You can see main.js is created, polyfill.js is created and style CSS is created. The second thing is watch mode is enabled and watching for file changes. So whenever there is any change in your file, it automatically is compile, reload the browser. And the third functionality is it open a port to run the application. Copy this and check whether the application is running or not. In this episode, we learned why Node.js is important, why Angular CLI makes our work easier, and how to install both, and how Angular 20 CLI now gives a modern prompts that improve performance and development speed. During the installation, we may come across different errors. We already listed few, but we may get different errors. If you get such errors, please comment. I will help you on this. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video where we will explore Angular project structure in detail. Till then, this is Nidhin signing off.